Hello there, my friend. Professor Pete here, and welcome to the Gold Call Show. For those of you that are learning about the Gold Call for the very first time, let me just fill you in quickly, all right? Now, you can tell by how I look that I'm not a freshman and I didn't get into a professional sales career a couple weeks ago. Been at this a while. I earn my living going door to door and cold calling over the telephone and in some of the craziest places and some of the stuffiest payphone booths. Today, prospecting requires a bit more aptitude in terms of communication and getting to the point quickly. The problem that most people have is starting conversation, right? With the people that you want to do business with. The courage to say the first thing the right way to the right person and so on. The pressure mounts and suddenly you are a fire hydrant of vocabulary. Prospects are trying to avoid the sales pitch at all costs. They've heard it a million times already. That's why they're reluctant to answer their phone in the first place. But if you do get somebody on the telephone, you want to strike the best possible first impression of yourself as possible, right? So be clear and articulate. The Gold Call Script Builder Kit that I invented helps parse your words and phrase your speech in ways that stop the prospect's lateral movement of avoidance because they're trying to get away from you by default because there's so many people vying for their attention and they've heard it before and they don't want to hear it again. So the Gold Call adventures that are seen here below are my own personal recollections. I recorded my conversations on the phone with prospects to try to come up with a catalyst dialogue, a greeting, right? How can I get my cold calls off on the right foot and heading in the right direction without feeling all of this anxiety and pressure that caused me to talk too much, all right? Say less, sell more, right? So, have a listen. Have a look at some of my videos, and you will experience firsthand how saying less helps you to sell more. But listen, you got to get your foot in the door and out of your mouth. And you have to be able to turn on the attention of strangers instantly, okay? If you don't have that skill, selling is going to be a difficult career for you. You're too young to go crazy. So have a listen. And this is Professor Pete saying, well, until our paths cross again, I'm going to say happy hunting and may all your calls be gold. So long.